Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content and subscribe to the channel. We post about Google Ads at least once every week. Okay, so today I've got a really quick one for you. Google continues to unveil kind of what goes on in the black box in PMax. They've made another small change, and that is to unlock the segment control. So up until now, you couldn't actually get segments for PMax, and you now can. So segments is actually a great tool. If it's not something you use regularly, you should play around with it. One of the ways I use it most often is in the time domain. So for example, in this campaign, I'm looking at the last 30 days, and if I wanted to see how my campaign performed by day of week, I can pull that out and get a table very quickly. And you can appreciate getting this data in other ways is a bit tricky with Google Ads. So this is a really nice feature. The other way I'll use time domain is if like I have an annual view of the data and I want a monthly breakdown. That can be really useful to just kind of see month over month how things are trending on the different KPIs. And you can get this like with third-party tools, like we use Slido, but to be able to do it natively right in the account, it's just a lot quicker and easier. Other reports you get in Segment are conversions breakdowns. So you can, if you have different purchase types, or if you're tracking add to carts and things like that, you can have a listing of all of those, a breakdown. Device is really nice because you can see your computers, mobile phones, and tablets, and how each of those is performing. Unfortunately, if you do network or you do anything where you want to see the channel breakdown, you're not going to get it. Google will just show you cross network traffic, as you can see. So unfortunately, although they have added the segment control, they haven't unlocked the ability to see the different channels. If you do want that ability, by the way, Mike Rhodes has a script that does that, and I believe even the free version for PMax will give you a breakout of kind of where your conversions and your traffic are coming from within PMax, as it is available in the API. So that's just something to keep in your back pocket. But otherwise, some of these other segments are here, some are not. Play around with it. I think it's a great add-on. I don't know why Google didn't have this before. But anyway, that's it for today. I hope you found this useful, and I will see you next time.